Alright, now I am going to show you how this is so intuitive. While I was waiting for part 1 to compile, I kind of looked through this on my own to get just a feel for it, so I wouldn't be stumbling around too much in this part of the video. This is my first time going through this part, but I think I've already got it figured out. Now, as I mentioned before, this is basically goes as a timeline of events in this section. So what you want to do is basically preview your video from the beginning. Everything in there right now is part of the template. So, excuse me one second. So what I'm going to do is play this from the beginning and try to follow me as I go along here.
At Golden State Box Breaks, we give you the best prices on the internet.
Okay, so I'm going to pause it right there. You'll notice this came up. That is this slide right here. So what I'm going to do now is make this, the text on screen, excuse me, line up with what our model and voice is saying to the audience. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click edit. And click edit. Oops. Edit. There we go. I'm going to bring up this file that I just created here. It's called script2. And I've got, this is what I'm going to enter in each of those little pop-ups. So the first thing we're going to say is here. Right here, I'm going to put best prices online. I'm going to say cheap, affordable, and or let's just do this. Say online here. Online, cheap, affordable, low. I don't know. Alright, and we could preview that right here, just like that. That's how it's going to come up. So, affordable looks pretty long though, doesn't it? So let's switch low. We're going to do low there, affordable here, and that's going to look a little better. So anyways, that's the idea. We're going to apply that, and now we're going to see where we're at. The contact information, that's right there. That's not going to change. Then we got, you've come to the right place.
Starting from 6 p.m. Pacific time.
Okay, so when that is saying you've come to the right place, you've got our script talking about the hours. So you just have to figure out like where you are in the script basically, and then so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have Monday through Friday. It's going to be when our script is talking about the hours, we're going to have the hours display here, and we're going to apply that. Now what we might have to do in this case is you notice how the next group of text starts coming up a little early here while we're still talking about hours. So all we do in that case is drag the duration out. So I'm going to apply that, and we're going to hear it again.
Time and our breaks run for 5 to 6 hours each night.
Okay, so it goes that much further. So all I'm going to do is this. Boom. Simple as that. And now we've got that dragged out a bit more.
We have lots of hobby boxes in stock from all sports, including all of the latest products.
Okay, next we have this. And my internet's going a bit slow. Alright.
Tonight, we
so let's see where this begins. Oops.
The time and our breaks run for 5 to 6 hours each night. We have
Okay, so this, we want it to start a little later. So this, all we're doing is adjusting the timelines here. Alright, I'm going to do one more of these and then I'm going to pause it and do the rest myself, because you're just going to be seeing me do this over and over again to the end of the video. And I don't want to waste your time. So let's just finish this one up.
each night. We have lots of hobby boxes in stock from all sports, including all of the latest.
Oh, we have a little overlap there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fix the overlap, which again is just a matter of finding out where this one ends, 16 seconds. This one begins at 16. So we probably want it to be at 17 so there's no overlap at all. So that's what I'm going to do, but then, come on. There we are. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this here. You can see the next one's coming up already. So we have to fix the overlap on the back end too, which is fine. So our next slide is the latest hobby boxes. Alright. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is apply that. Now we're going to pause and just clean this stuff up and then come right back to show you what we've put together. Hey guys, I'm back and I have cleaned up the text effects, fixed the duration so they match my script, and actually, so one thing I caught right here is I noticed the text is going over my logo, so to change that you just click resize and move, bring it down, it's simple, drag and drop, and then you click apply. I'm going to make sure the others are not overlapping as well, and once that is checked off, I'm going to show you the preview of what I've done. And I'll also mention this, like I said in my other videos, it's worth mentioning again. I suck at creating videos, graphics, you name it. So literally, if I can do this, you can do this. They have video tutorials available to customers when you log in, but like I never even looked at it. I don't think you would need to either. I mean, it's just amazing the fact that I was able to do this with no guidance at all in a simple step-by-step process. So let's quickly play the preview here. And then once everything looks good, I'm going to create the movie and pause while it's compiling.
At Golden State Box Breaks, we give you the best prices on the internet for baseball, football, and basketball group breaks. We are online every weekday night starting from 6 p.m. Pacific time, and our breaks run for 5 to 6 hours each night. We have lots of hobby boxes in stock from all sports, including all of the latest products. We do team breaks and random breaks, and we also have specials as shown on our website. Join us today and we will even give you 25% off your first break, as many teams as you want. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.
So there you have it. Simple as that. And again, it's very smooth once we actually create the video itself. This is just preview mode. There's so much more we could do with this. This is just, again, demonstration of me creating my first video. So I'm going to click create movie here. It's going to give me some options. Of course, I want to do 1080 pixels. I'm going to call it GS Box Breaks Video. I like the MP4 format, and sure, why not? It's asking me if I want to. Oh, okay, I need an upgrade to do this, but if you have that upgrade, you can create a social media GIF file as well, which is cool. I do not have it, so I'm going to go ahead and just use these options, hit submit, and we will wait as our video compiles. You can see the pending up there, so I will come back. Hey, I'm back, and as you can see, it's actually still pending. It's only been about a minute since I've paused. I've actually decided what I'm going to do is when this is finished, I'm just going to upload it as a separate YouTube video. It'll be part 3 of this series. Link will be in the description of this video. And the last thing I'm going to mention here is my bonus. If you like what you see in my video series, I just want to mention to you that below this video you're going to see a link to my review page, and this I have an offer, a bonus offer that's exclusive to everyone that purchases through my review page, as I'm pulling it up right here. When you scroll down through the review itself, you're going to see this bonus picture, and underneath you're going to see 8 bonuses that I'm giving away. Now notice all of these bonuses, I've hand selected them. I've gone through my sources and picked the most relevant 8 bonuses for VideoRobot. So you've got stock videos that you can use with your videos, graphics that you can use. You're probably going to want to have a YouTube channel. So this is traffic strategies for your videos in your YouTube channel, business graphics, video tutorials, video marketing results, templates, guides, video for profit, and I'm actually going to add a 9th bonus here as well. You'll probably see it by the time you click on my review. And the 9th bonus, I think I mentioned it earlier, the 9th bonus is going to be background music that you can implement in your VideoRobot videos. So that's going to wrap us up. Check out the compiled and finalized version of the video that we just created in part 3. Again, link to part 3 is also in the description. But in the meantime, thank you very much for taking the time out to watch my VideoRobot demo and review. Hope it helped you. Hope you liked it. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate any support I could get. And that's it. Thank you very much.